Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to turn any photo into editable layers. Now for this tutorial, we're going to use Canva, and you just have to click on create on the top left side right here, then click on upload. Then you want to go and click on upload files. After clicking on upload files, here I have chosen one of my photos. I'm going to click on edit image. And now what you should do is to search for magic elements or magic grab effect. You just have to click on tools, then go and click on see all. Then go and click on Magic Grab and click on Open as Design. And now it will start processing. And now what you can do is to grab one of these elements and move it just like so. As you can see, I can move it a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, but I will leave it in the center. But you get the idea. If you want to make it into editable layers, you just have to use the Magic Grab or image layers from the tools. So you get the idea. And there is also another method that you can actually try in order to make it as editable layers, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So now what you should do is simply go and open ChatGPT, then go to plugins, then go and search for Canva, and go and click on connect or install plugin. So I'm going to click on install plugin, then click on sign in with Canva. I'm going to click on allow and authorization successful. Now we can use or authorize Canva or use Canva within ChatGPT. Now it's installing. Now click on try and chat. And now what we should do is to simply paste the prompt that I will show you right now. I will leave it down below in the description. Then I'm going to click on this plus icon, click on add photos or files. Then I'm going to add the same photo of mine. And now the good thing is that you can change this from Canva to Photoshop if you want it to be on Photoshop, but I will use it only on Canva for this video. Then I'm going to click on send prompt. Then it will take some time, of course, in order to do the processing, and I'll get back to you once it finishes processing. Now it will show you this message. Click on always allow or allow once. I'm going to click on allow once for this time only. Then it will start transforming your file into an editable layout. Generating designs can take up to 30 seconds or even more, even 1 minute. Then it will show me this image. You can simply click on customize the design. It will redirect you to Canva. And now here, as you can see, it's all editable. And these are two methods that I have shown you in order to have the layers editable. As you can see, you can use the Magic Grab or the method with ChatGPT. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.